at the end of the day, somebody's about to fight for you because they want you in their life. So let's just see how this plays out. All right. All right, guys. Bottom of the deck, 4 of Pentacles. So this is telling me off bat that somebody wants something to improve between the two of you. Okay. Somebody could want their financial situation to improve because maybe they're feeling like there's no security with their finances. If not, this could just be saying that they want to give you an offer, but maybe they feel like you're going to turn them down due to the fact of what took place previously in the past. But I'm telling you, this person, somebody wants to commit to you guys. Somebody definitely wants a relationship here. Tell me more. But see what I'm saying? The way the Page of Pentacles just came out of my hand, I'm telling you, this person wants to give you an offer. I do feel like it is a small offer, but when it's in reverse, this is telling me that somebody is in some type of codependent situation. Clarify the Page of Pentacles. Ace of Wands. See, this person, I'm telling you, they're going to come back because they want a new beginning with you. Somebody wants to fix things with you, Libra. Could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But this person is sad the way that things ended or they played out between the two of you. But they're not opening up and they're not talking to you. Somebody could be dealing with a water... Why? Okay, I'm saying water sign. That's a Scorpio. Anyway, sorry guys. Somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio, but this person is scared that they're not going to be able to have a new beginning with you. And they're trying to stay positive because I do feel like they're trying to manifest you back into their life. They really want to be with you. But they just don't have a peace of mind, I feel like, about their finances right now. And I do feel like they don't want to argue with you. Like, this person was stuck in something. Because there was a lot of conflict in the past with you guys. Yeah, because they're feeling like if they come back, you're not going to take them back due to all the drama, the chaos that they have created. And this is why they're worried. Because they're regretting their decisions now. Look, yeah, this person was definitely being sneaky in the past, Libra. And you know it. That's why you had to let them go. Somebody's definitely dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But they feel like, they know that you're hurt because of the things that they have done. But you're no longer opening up. It's like your guard is up now. But somebody's avoiding a tower moment here. Clarify the tower. Because I feel like this person wants to come back and speak their truth to you. But see, yeah, they're not. Every time they want to rush in and say something to you, they talk themselves out of it. Because they feel like they're not going to have a new opportunity with you. They're scared. Yeah, this is why this person isn't talking to you. There's no communication right now. Because they're thinking about something that took place in their past. It could be some type of like... Actually, you know what? Clarify the Six of Cups. Let me see. Yeah, they're thinking about what took place in the past, guys. This person's embarrassed because they know that they messed up big time. And they want things to improve with you. But they know that they were moving slow in the past. This person is definitely frustrated about some type of financial situation here. I feel like that's what they were waiting on. But they're going to rush back in. Because they want to talk to you. Libra, you could have been dealing with another Libra. But I feel like somebody's wanting the truth. They're looking for the truth. Somebody could be dealing with some type of like contract, agreement, court situation. Clarify. That could be why their money, it's like they're worried about their money. Tell me about justice. Yeah. See, this person definitely, they might be looking into you because they do want things to improve with you. But I do feel like for some of you guys, there could be some type of court situation going on with your person and a third party. It's something pertaining to money here. Yeah, see? Yeah, somebody is some type of legal situation going on because somebody's going to have to give to someone else. There's money here. That's why your person's worried about money. So I don't know if it's like child support, somebody's married, they got to give up assets because they're going through a divorce. It's something like that. Or somebody could have had a business. Somebody's worried about money here, Libra. Definitely. Yep, because at one point they felt like they lost you. But they're coming out of that energy to give you this offer. Tell me more. Somebody could be dealing with a Gemini. But this is basically telling me that they know that they caused an imbalance between the two of you. And it's like before they weren't taking a leap to come towards you, Libra. But now they are. I feel like they're talking to someone. Look, I'm telling you, they're coming to give you an offer. There's the Ace of Pentacles. They do not want you to cut them off. Somebody's dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. Because at one point, this person was feeling stuck in a situation and they're freeing themselves. And they're speaking their truth. Yep. They made a decision, but see, they're having a hard time coming towards you. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. Somebody also could be dealing with an Aries, but I feel like this person's having a hard time. It's something with finances here because their stability is not where they would like it to be. Could be dealing with an Aquarius, but this person is trying to hold on to hope that things are going to play out the way that it should have in the beginning because they made the wrong decision. But this person wants to come back to balance things out with you. Look at that. Somebody could be dealing with a Taurus, but I'm telling you, this person wants to marry you. This person wants to commit to you, but the problem is they are dragging their feet. Could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or a Sagittarius, but they have made a decision. He's going to land right there, huh? Okay. They made a decision. See, I have 2 decision cards, so they're serious. But whatever this decision is, they're frustrated about it. So, like, if they have to leave some type of, like, family situation, home situation, like, they're frustrated because they're like, whoever they've been dealing with, they know that they're going to have to pay out of pocket. But they're also frustrated because of how they played you. Look, y'all are getting an offer. There's an offer coming, Libra. This person does not want you to walk away from them. I'm telling you, they're coming in. Ooh. Yep. Because I'm telling you, this person did take some type of financial loss. I'm getting a lot of cups. I don't know if your person's been drinking. Somebody's been drinking here. But I do feel like somebody did take a financial loss. They're coming out of that energy. They're also coming out of this sadness here. Because when they look at you or when they think about you, they do want happiness. And they're going to put in the work to win you back. Could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or a Sagittarius. But I do feel like somebody's mother is definitely interfering or has been interfering. Or there's just a fire sign here. And this is why this person left you out in the cold. Yeah, no, there was a mother here. Somebody was interfering. Child's mother, their mother, it's something like that. And I feel like they just went towards this person or listened to this person. And this is why you guys were left out in the cold. But they're hoping that you can forgive them because they do want a new beginning with you. Clarify the Empress. Somebody could have been dealing with a Virgo. But this person, this is a lesson that they had to go through. So now they sitting back and they're reflecting. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn. Clarify the Devil, please. They're scared. This is fear. This person they're fearing coming back towards you, but when they do come, they're going to have confidence to come back and speak their truth. Yeah, because they made a decision. Tell me more. They're coming back to ask you out. Some of y'all are going to get a surprise phone call, text. They're going to send a message online. They're going to pop up. If you guys live at a distance, I feel like somebody's coming to visit you. Somebody's coming. I'm telling, yeah. Somebody's asking someone out. And that's the decision that they made. They're scared to do it, but they're going to do it. Could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. But they look at you as someone who's very stable, who's very nurturing. You're healing. You're about your business. You're moving on with or without them. And they know that they didn't bring balance to the situation, and this is why they feel like they're not going to have a victory with you. Could be dealing with a Sagittarius, but they do want things to improve, but they know that they broke your heart because there was some type of third-party situation here. And that's why they were moving slow at first, Libra, but they're coming out of that energy. But they're saying that they're not using their intuition because they can't stop thinking about how many times they kept stabbing you in the back. Yep, this is why they're not moving forward just yet. They're scared. But they do want to have a happy home with you. But let me see. I still feel like this person is still going through some type of like karma here. Something I feel like is going to get wrapped up, but not just yet. Yeah, there's communication. I'm telling you, this person, if you haven't heard from them, they're coming back. There's communication here. But they're worried. Why? There could be a Leo in the picture some of you guys could be dealing with. But I feel like they're just scared because they want to have the strength to come and tell you that They want to fix this. They want a family with you. They want it all. Everything that y'all have talked about in the past, they want this. And so what they're doing is they're clearing away obstacles in order to be with you. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer, but right now, they're just not moving forward because they just don't know how exactly to say this to you, how to even approach the situation. Because they feel like you don't want to build with them. But they don't want you to look back at what happened in the past because they do want to start over and keep building or keep planting those seeds because they want them to grow. Some of you guys could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. But they know that they messed up and they know that your guard is up at this point. You're not playing games with them. Yes, you do want to hear them out, but at the same time, no nonsense. Like, y'all are tired. Yeah, but this person is having a hard time approaching you because they know that they don't know how you're going to react. They know it's not, you're not going to be like, oh, hey, It's none of that. And they know it. And that's why they're having a hard time coming back towards you because they don't really know what exactly you're going to say, but they know it ain't going to be all good. Like, they're going to be like, you know, they're thinking like, you're probably going to be like, what do you want? Why do you want to approach me? Why? What do you want to talk about now? I wanted to talk to you a couple months ago, but you were being nasty. So they're scared, but this person is going to speak their truth. Look at that. They want contentment with you. They want stability with you. They want everything with you, but there's still somebody in this background, whether it's a family member or somebody they were dealing with, that does not want you to be together. Libra, leave me some comments. Y'all the fourth sign, and I see people coming back, but there are someone else trying to hold them back. Like, this is interesting. Y'all leave me some comments. Let me know if this is resonating for you guys. All right, Libras. Love you guys. Talk to you soon. Bye. Guys, talk to you soon. Bye.